Hi guys, so today we have a minus 12 degrees outside temperature, and I've done already about 7 kilometers. I'm at home from my work, and today my front wipers, especially the passenger side one, is not working well. Just take a look. Yeah, as you can see from the beginning, it's struggling to work, to go to its working position, to the end of the windscreen. In the morning it didn't work at all, just driver side one was working. So yeah, we have something to do. So I will go to my garage and disassemble it, and probably it's just the shaft which is stuck. It needs to be cleaned and oiled. Now we have to remove the wiper arm, and there we have a 60mm bolt. In order not to damage the motor, the gears, make sure you are holding the wiper arm itself, and at the same moment you are twisting the bolt. Now let's try to remove it. It was not very hard. I didn't need to use any special tools. Now that plastic cover is on our way. To remove it, you have to take off this rubber sealing. Place it aside, and now that plastic cover will go up, of course, after removing this rubber sealing. I won't remove it all. I will just remove this side. It will be enough. It's not very hard plastic, it bends and it holds in place like this. So now we can remove that unlucky motor. As you can see, there we have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts, and of course a wire harness. Firstly, we have to disconnect the battery. Make sure it don't connect back again. Now we can work on removing that motor. All 3 bolts are loose. Here it is. Using a screwdriver, I have to unlock it and take it out. Okay, motor is on the table. there we can already see rust. This means that there are moisture inside here. Of course, almost 100%. The fault is humidity, which is in here, and it freezes when there is cold outside. So I need to remove this cap, I guess. Unlock this pin and remove it, clean it, take it back together. It will be okay. One of the bolts snapped. Let's hope that it won't be a very big problem. Yeah, it's just the dust cap, and as you can see, as I said, as I was guessing, there are a lot of rusts, and I didn't even think that it will be so rusty. So I guess it will just be a cleaning matter. I've just lifted it with a screwdriver and the axle moved away. Very good. I won't need to remove the cover and to do damage the sealing. I won't have to put new sealant. So let's remove that clip. Remove that washer, and the axle should come out. That's it. And as we can see, there is water, and we know that water gets freezed, and when it's freezed, it will be very hard to move that axle. So let's clean the water, put a lot of grease in it, assemble it back together, and live happily again. There's quite a significant wear here on the shaft. That's why it has a little play, but we won't be able to fix that. Down there we have some kind of compartment for the grease to be in, and it's empty. Of course, in this area, in this place, moisture gets trapped, and the ice can be formed, and then, as you can see, problems can occur. Okay, it's time for some grease. Okay, let's not forget all those washers. One was there, one was here. back in place very easily. Let's put it back to the car. The wiper arm and all the covers are back on. Let's try and see how it works. Well, looks like the wiper arm moves very freely, and it will live a lot of years more. I hope so. But of course, if there was a problem with the one wiper motor, that means that the second one will probably have the same problem. So I will have to deal with it also. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. Don't hesitate to share my videos, and see you next time.